warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today we're going to giving opinions about smoking at the campus. Guys, can we talk about something that's been bothering me lately?
Sure, what's up?
Smoking on campus. It's everywhere now. I can't walk from one building to another without passing someone smoking.
Yes, thank you. I've been thinking the same. I'm tired of walking through smoke clouds on the way to class.
Same here, especially near the cafeteria. It's like I'm trying to eat and someone's blowing smoke 5 feet away.
You know what surprised me is how normalized smoking has become, especially for college students. You think people would be more health conscious these days?
Yep, especially with all the awareness campaigns about lung cancer, heart disease, and even the effects of secondhand smoke. But still, it's like people forget.
Yes, or ignore it. I read somewhere that a lot of young adults smoke not because they enjoy it, but because of peer pressure or as a form of social bonding.
Well, I'm not gonna lie, I do smoke occasionally, but I always try to be respectful. I don't smoke near entrance or in crowded place. I start because my roommates all smoke. At first, I just wanted to join the group outside during breaks. It made me feel included.
That's really interesting. I guess smoking isn't just a habit, but it's a part of a social identity for some people.
That's good, but not everyone is like that. Some people smoke right in front of doors or while walking in group. It affects everyone around them.
Exactly. I don't think it's about attacking smokers. It's about setting boundaries. Like, just because you have the right to smoke doesn't mean you can do it anywhere.
Especially since secondhand smoke is dangerous. People forget that it's not just an inconvenience, it's a healthier choice.
Yeah, but banning it completely doesn't feel fair either. Smoking isn't still legal. People have the right to do it.
We're not saying ban it, just control where it happens, like decided smoking areas that are far enough from public space.
That way, smokers still have their space, and non-smokers don't have to suffer because of it. It's a reasonable compromise.
Plus, it keeps the campus cleaner. Cigarette butts are all over the ground. It ruins the environment and makes the campus look bad.
And the smell sticks around. I once sat on a bench after someone smoked there and my clothes smelled for hours.
Okay, fair. I agree with all that. Maybe it's time the university step up and create proper zone.
But is that kind of said that people need to inhale toxic chemical just to feel like they belong?
Well, it's not just about the nicotine. It's about the routine, the break, the moment of peace. You don't get that from sitting silently in the library for 6 hours.
That's why the solution isn't just don't smoke. We need to create alternative space where people can unwind, socialize, and breathe literally and emotionally.
Like wellness zones, places with music, beanbags, maybe even calming scenes or tea. Sounds silly, but I'd go.
Stress is real, but there are other ways to cope. Exercise, talking to someone, even just talking alone.
But if smoking becomes part of the culture, it's harder to change. That's why we need to start shifting to culture.
You know what the irony is? A lot of smokers actually want to quit. They are just trapped in the habit. It becomes part of their identity.
That's deep. So instead of shaming, maybe we should focus on helping people reconnect with their health and self-worth.
Yeah, make it a journey, not a punishment. You're not a bad person for smoking, but here's how you can feel better without it.
I wonder, do you think the rise of vaping is helping or making things worse?
Worse, definitely. It's more accessibility. It smells better and people think it's safer, even though study says otherwise.
I've tried vaping too. Honestly, it's just another trap. Some people end up addicted to both.
So we're not just dealing with smoking culture, but addiction culture.
And that makes this issue way more complex than just smoking is bad. We need a long-term support system on campus.
Imagine if every freshman had a seminar about stress, health, and education, not just drugs, but smoking, vaping, alcohol, etc.
Like part of orientation week, that inclusive mindset early.
And if quieting support was made as visible as the cafe shop on campus, maybe more people would reach out.
So the problem isn't just the smoking, it's the silence around it. The lack of people honest conversation.
I think we should take this to the Students' Council. Bring up the idea of smoking zones, cleanup campaigns, and support programs.
I will back it. Even as a smoker, I want a better system. I don't want to bother people. I just need a space where it's okay to some.
Then let's do it. Let's start by writing a proposal, maybe even in a survey to see how other students feel about it.
Good idea. I bet a lot of people feel the same but haven't spoken up.
I'll help draft it. The more voices, the better.
I am into let be the generation that actually does something, not just complains about it.
Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.